Good evening. In this lecture series, we see about a case study of gear train. So, first of all, what is meaning of gear train? Okay, so the gear train are an essential component in a modern machineries, from clock mechanisms to automobiles. Well explored to the inner working and design considerations and analyze a case study. So, in this case study, we are designing about the inner working and design considerations. So what is the fundamentals? So the basic gearing up the big pictures the from idea to plan. So first gearing up means the anatomy of a gear, the cylindrical and conical and bevel and milter plus chain drive and worms. They learn the respective ratios, how they are affect to the torque. The big picture, the real world application of the gear train, including the wind turbines, locomotives, and the escalators, uncover the principle of that govern a gear mechanism. From the idea to plan, the workflow of the designing a compact and efficient, durable gear train, the plus insiding on the latest material and technologies available. So what is the failures and design optimizations? So for in case the failure, the pumps in the road, the most of the common points of the failure for the gear train, including the lubrications and the structural fatigue. The fatigue means called as repeat load. The approximate measure to prevent them. So optimizations, the optimization the gear train can result in improving the perform, the reducing noise and smoother operations, learning how to evaluate existing designs and improve them. And the efficiency of the operations, the review the different types of gear to form the continuously the variable transmissions to manual shifters, the plus tips, tricks to use your gear train efficiently. So in this case study, what is the approach you are using? They utilize the testing and analyzing methods, including computer-aided drawing, modeling, and finite element analysis, and computer fluid design the simulations to identify the performance problems and addressing them. So we are categorizing. First one is we call it as a and the challenge. Second one is approach. Then third one is result. For challenge, the analyzing the complex gear train in an industrial marine engineering engine to the optimize its operations within a given efficiency and durable parameters. So the similar, the second one is the approaches by using the testing the analyzing methods by using of CAD and FE and CFC simulations to identify the performance problem and addressing them. So whatever the result, they improve the gearbox dynamics and significantly reducing the noise level and vibrations. The plus tenfold increasing the reliability. Design and manufacturing. So, what is a design? The manufacturing process of a gear train, the design is driven by the mechanical and thermal constraint imposed. Well, we will examine the major productions process, the highlight the key points. What is the environment control? The defects such as surface cracking and dimensional drift and can be controlled via a suite of manufacturing process. They discuss some most efficient one. What is the quality standards? The factors like quality control and the sustainability are integral parts of the modern manufacturing. They lean about the national and international quality standards and their requirements. So the real world applications they were using in the wind turbine, CNC machines, and automobile. For wind turbine, the role gear train play in the wind turbine operations. So from the generating the power to bladed alignment. For CNC machines, how the gear train is driven the movement of the CNC machines and affect their precisions. For automobile, the various application gear trains within automobiles, including the transmission, differential gears, and timing chain built. So the professional tips, the troubleshooting, maintenance, and future prospects. So what is the troubleshooting? The smart solution to common gear problem from the excessive noise to overheating plus advice on the lubricant selections. So in case maintenance, the regular maintenance ensure that your gear train is performing at its best over its entire lifespan. They learn how performing the routine checks and diagnose the problems. In future perfect prospects, the gear train will be continuous to evolve with cutting edge advancement in the materials. The constructing the techniques and inciting discovering the direction in which the field is heated headed. So, from the conclusion of this case study, what is the key points we take away? The showcasing the main points of the talk about the visualization complaint waves. The question and answerings, a panel discussing with a fellow of industry's expert how to challenging and advancement and future innovations of the gear train. Thank you.